Hi, in this video I'm going to teach you how to send a contract via Docusign. So in order to send a contract via Docusign, what we can do is we can head over first to their website, which is docusign.com. From in there, you will be prompted to either sign in or sign up depending on your availability. So if you already have an account, you can go over and then log in. If you don't have yet, you can click onto this try for free option right here in order to use a DocuSign. So since I already have an account, I'll head over and then log in. And this is what my homepage looks like. So into this case, what we can do is we can head over and then first create the contract. In order to do that, click onto this browse all templates that you can see right here. You can also choose from templates or agreements, reports, and admin options that we can see above. So from in there, click onto this browse and it will redirect you to this templates option that you can choose from. So you can also search for this one. For example, let's search for a particular contract that we will use. Let's choose in here a sales contract and click on this add selected. Now this will load in order to create the particular document. This part, let's head over and choose in here assigning order. We'll have in here the buyer as well as the sender. So in this case, someone else will be the buyer and will be the manufacturer. So let's also input right here their email. And then from in there, let's input ourselves as the actual sender for this case. You can also change the signing order based on this part. Now in here, you can also choose the recipient as well and choosing here the email message. Click on this next option that we can see right here, and this will load the actual document in order to add those fields. Input right here the fields that you want, and once you have successfully inputted the fields, click onto the send option. And then after that, this will send this document to the email that we have inputted earlier. So that's how you set a contract via DocuSign. Hope we helped.